Hello and welcome back for another Gala Games prize prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Gala Games chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, we are seeing a massive breakout to the upper side. And before I get to the target areas for the breakout, allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that last week we had a massive sell-off here on the charts in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $0.0181 mark. And after seeing that massive breakdown, we started a bit of a recovery to the upside in a move that now seems to be getting impulsive, where we have also been obeying the Elliot structures, and I'm tracking a 5-wave move to the upside, where I have been terming these as the first wave to the upside. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment could be the start of another impulsive wave in the formation of that wave 3 before we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. And to get to see whether the wave 2 fully maximized its minimum target areas, that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum target area for that wave 2 between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.618. And you can see that on the charts we saw a reaction of the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.5, and there are high chances that that is the low for that higher Elliott wave count 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And if that is the case, then I can give you minimum target areas for this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then drag the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for that wave 3 at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.02886 mark. And that is the minimum that I'll be expecting this wave 3 to the upside to do before we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of this wave 5. And since things are getting impulsive here on the Gala Games chart and also on the Bitcoin chart at the time of this recording, I'm expecting Gala Games to continue gearing up, having my first target areas at around the $0.025 mark, and a break above that, then we can watch out for this significant high, that is this significant low that we made at around the $0.02616 mark, and a break above that and maybe a successful retest could help us now fully maximize our minimum target area in the formation of this wave 3 at around the $0.02888 mark in the formation of that wave 3. And since this is an impulsive wave to the upside, I'm also tracking a micro Elliott wave count within the formation of that wave 3, where on the charts you can see that we can term this as a wave 1, then a wave 2, and this is the formation of that wave 3 before we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upside, fully maximizing our minimum target area at around the $0.0288 mark. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Gala Games chart on the short-term point of view. Also jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, still basing it on the Elliott wave structures, you can see that after seeing our December lows, we saw a 5-wave move to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.063 mark, completing the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 1. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2 in a move that has now fully maximized our minimum target area. And there are now chances that soon we can expect a massive reversal to the upper side in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3. And the only confirmation that I'm waiting for here on the charts that you're back in the formation of this wave 3 and that the low for this wave 2 is in is a 5 wave move here on the charts, followed by an ABC corrective structure. In case we see such a scenario here on the charts, that will be enough confirmation that the low is in and the start of an impulse in this wave 3 has now started. So continue keeping your eyes on the charts for a 5 wave structure to the upside, confirming the low is in and the start of an impulse in that wave 3. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 67 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.